Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today we'll be talking about TrueLancer. TrueLancer is an online platform where you'll be getting freelancer jobs. So this website is very similar to freelancer.com, and you would have already known about freelancer.com. If not, check out my video which I have already done. I'll be linking it in the cards above, or you can check it in the description box below. So without a drag, we'll just start off with the video. And TrueLancer is a place where you'll be getting a lot of freelancers if you want to hire. This is like a piece of work to be done by anyone who bids for the job. So we'll look out for how to work here in this video. So yeah, you have to create an account in this. And about TrueLancer, it is a legend. First of all, I have to inform you that every platform have scams, like people can scam you. You have to be cautious. You should never pay for a job, and also you shouldn't believe the job recruiters who say that they will be giving you a lot of freebies and a lot of pay for if you give this mail ID or if you give some specific detail. So we'll check up on this website now, but before, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from the channel. Now be cautious about scammers. Now we'll just get started. Complete your profile. Profile is very important. You have to complete your profile in order to even bid for a job. So you have to complete it. Upload a good portfolio. Create a good resume. So that's what it basically means. So complete your profile. You would have already known. That's all about your personal stuff. Make sure you upload a good profile picture which is really professional. And every time you bid for a job, it will be showing you all your completed work. So make sure you do it 100% and give your 100%. Now we'll just try out a data entry job. See, you have various jobs from different recruiters, each with varied amount. So if you like it, send proposal and opt for the job. As you can see, there are lots of jobs you can try for. Make sure you just submit your work in this platform itself. Some recruiters may ask you to submit your work through mail ID or some other platform, but don't do that. Then you cannot claim, if a person that didn't pay for you, you cannot claim this TrueLancer customer care. So make sure you exchange everything, work, payment, everything in this website itself, in this platform itself, so that if someone is not giving you or not paying you or doing a fraud, you can just complain to this customer care cell. It will be a good proof. So yeah, you can try for it. This is very similar to freelancer.com. You can do a lot of freelancing jobs here. You have various type of categories from where you can get job. So yeah, it's a good try. You can do it now during this quarantine period. You have various jobs to do at home, at your free time. Working from home, you can earn a lot of money. So if you have any doubts regarding this one, you can just comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible. And just for the video purpose, I'll be opening a job and I'll be trying to send a proposal. So as I have already said, keep your conversations within this platform itself. Don't drag it to your personal mail ID or never give your personal information to anyone here. So yeah, I have chosen one job, and here it shows that it is 400 per hour, and there are totally 137 proposals, and it's already closed. You cannot send proposal to this one, but I'll just show you how it is. Whenever you're going to bid for a project, make sure you read the project details completely, because you have to understand what the recruiter actually wants from you. And here, as you can see, these are all the proposals submitted by various freelancers in this platform, and look at them. They have already completed their profile, and this is very important that it's also showing how much amount of project they have completed and what was the review and all this stuff. So that is really important to keep your profile good and clean. So complete all the projects that you get, and I have chosen another project also. See here, the send proposal is not yet finished or not yet closed. You can apply for this one. This is just for video purpose. Don't rely on this one. I'm not branding or I'm not going to promote this job. um, just for video purpose. And very important thing, I'm not an affiliate for this one. I'm not going to do any affiliate marketing for this one. This is my true review, which I have already seen and I have already experienced, is what I'm sharing. If you have any questions, please comment it below and I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible. And that's all about the video, guys. So meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.